In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ClickUp. Tags are a quick way to label, filter, and find tasks. So by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know two simple ways to create them. We'll start inside a task, then I'll show you a fast alternative right from the list view. First, sign into your ClickUp account and open your workspace. From your team space, head to Overview and make sure you're looking at your work in the list view. List view makes tags easy to see and manage across multiple tasks. To demonstrate, let's add a quick example task. Click New Task. Give it a short, clear name, and then click Save. Saving right away ensures the task is created properly and your changes aren't lost. Open the task you just created. In the Task Details panel, find the Tags area. If you haven't used tags yet, it will show as empty. Click that area to open the tag picker. Here's the first method. Create a tag directly from the task. Type the tag name you want, then choose a color that makes sense for your workflow. Color coding helps you scan and understand context at a glance. When you're happy, click Create. You'll see your new tag appear on the task, and the color you picked will be applied immediately. If you change your mind, you can always adjust the color later using the same tag picker. Once you've confirmed the tag looks right, you can close the task window. Now, for the second method, which is great when you're already working in a list. In List View, look for the Tags column. Hover near the plus sign to the right of that column to reveal the tag options. Click to add a new tag, give it a name, select a color, and create it. This adds the tag from the list level so you can apply it to tasks quickly without opening each one. If you want to add another tag, repeat the same action and create the next one right there. That's it. Two straightforward ways to create tags in ClickUp, from within a task's details and directly from the tags column in List View. A couple of quick tips to keep your system tidy. Choose short, consistent tag names and stick to a simple color scheme so your team can